How to download and install Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, you must open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Zoomerang. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. So here on the bottom, head on install. Now what is this app about? Basically this is an AI video editor. Here you can make different AI videos and even edit it. You can even give different prompts and make different videos. So the app will get installed and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.